And how to verify, how to check which IP address is configured on your PC. You will use this command ipconfig. You will go to command prompt and you will type ipconfig. You will get this detail. You will get the IP address 192.168.2.19. You will get the subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0 and default gateway as well. Let us verify. You will type this command. So you can see the IP address of my Wi-Fi adapter is 192.168.43.87 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway is 192.168.43.100. But let us say you need some more information like what is the DSCP IP address of this PC and what is the DNS of this PC. So you will use this command ipconfig/all. So it will give you the additional information. Let us verify. So if you see here, you are getting the DHCP server IP address with this ipconfig/all, and you will get the DNS server IP address, and you will get the physical address or MAC address, and this is the IP address, this is the subnet mask, and this is the default gateway.